Your email follow-ups are not working, and I know who to blame.
Hey, 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 hey!
Hi, I'm Sam from GMass, and I'm here to say, it's not your fault.
It's not your fault.
Most email sending apps just don't prioritize the automated follow-up experience. Some make it way too complicated. Others don't even offer automated follow-ups at all. If it were easier, you could spend your time, actually crafting great follow-ups. Well, good news. I'm going to make it easier. Allow me to introduce you to GMass. GMass is a Chrome extension that actually transforms Gmail into an email sending platform. So now you can use your Gmail to send out outreach campaigns, sales messages, mail merch, whatever you need. Plus, GMass is the most follow-up friendly platform out there. Here's why. After you write your initial campaign message, just open the GMass settings box and you can type in your follow-ups right there, like literally in a text box. There's no separate tabs, no complicated flowcharts to build, and no manual following up. You pick the timing for each follow-up stage, 2 days, 5 days, whatever. And then you also pick the trigger on when it sends or doesn't send. Plus, you can use the mail merge tags from your initial campaign here for that extra dose of personalization. And now you have the time and energy to write really good follow-ups for each stage. And that's it. Now these auto follow-ups will go out as plain text replies to your initial campaign. They'll go out at the timing you specified, and each recipient will get them until they take your desired action. Of course, if you want to get more complicated with these, we do have options for that as well. You can send out rich text auto follow-ups that have things like their own subject line, complicated formatting, images, things like that. We also have triggered automations, which can go out when a recipient, say, replies using a specific keyword. But most of the time, you don't need all that. You just need good, reliable, quick auto follow-ups that go out when they're supposed to and that didn't require you to watch a whole bunch of tutorials to remember how to send them. You can try GMass for free right now. Links in the description.